Now, I know you've been patiently waiting for breakout rooms to appear in Microsoft Teams, and they're here, so let's take a look at them. Hi, I'm Stuart Breakout and I'm a modern work customer success manager at Microsoft. And today I want to show you the breakout rooms feature in Microsoft Teams, which has launched today. And lots of my customers are already reporting back that they've had it appear in their tenant. So it's important to note that the breakout rooms feature is only visible to the meeting organizer. So if you're looking for it in a meeting that you've joined that somebody else has organized, then you won't see the special breakout room icon that looks a little bit like this. But if you are the meeting organizer, then you should see it at the top of the meeting bar there, and it looks like those two squares put together. So some of these, there might be considerations then for people if you use a central scheduling account to schedule meetings for you, then you won't be able to see the breakout room. You only see the breakout room feature if you are the meeting organizer. So that's an important one to get out of there straight away. Now, I've invited some friends along to help me demonstrate the breakout feature. So let's join them and take a look. So I'm in the meeting now and I've got all of my participants here. And what I want to do is move them out into breakout rooms. So all I'm going to do is go up to here to the breakout room icon. Now, this is only visible to the meeting organizer. And I can decide how many breakout rooms I want. So there's only 6 of us here, plus me. So I'm just going to organize them into 2 breakout rooms. And I can either automatically assign them into those breakout rooms, or I can manually choose where people go. So I'm going to do automatic and create those rooms. Now, the great thing is that even though I've automatically created the rooms, I can move them about. So let's say that I actually want Chris to be in room 1, but he's currently in room 2. So what I'm going to do is check Chris's name here, and I'm going to hit assign, and then I can choose to move him into room 1. And just so my rooms are balanced, I'm going to move Ed into room 2. There we go. But those room names are quite boring, so let's give them a little bit more structure so people know what they're talking about. So here in room 1, I'm going to rename that room, and I'm going to call this social activities. Okay, and I can even hit Windows and the full stop key and put a little emoji in there as well. And then let's say that room 2, we're going to put them on admin improvements. So I'm going to rename that group there and call them admin improvements. Just so they don't feel left out, we'll stick an emoji in for them as well, and we'll give them these sunglasses just so they can feel cool. There we go. So now I've done all my setup and I'm ready to go. So what I'm going to do is hit start rooms, and those people will be moved automatically. And then I, as the organizer, can jump between them. So I'm just going to move you into rooms, guys. Bye-bye. So now I can see that I'm the only person who's in the meeting, and I can see that my meeting rooms are open. Now I can jump into this. So let's say I wanted to go to the social activities one. I can click on the ... and then go join room. And now I can see that I'm on hold in this one.
Not that bad.
And now I've joined the meeting. So here is the meeting for the social activities. And I can participate in here, so we can see the chat, so people can take part in the chat. Okay, they could be doing whiteboarding, etc. So go through that. And all of the people who are in this breakout room, they're all presenters, so they've all got the rights to be able to do all of those kind of things. So when I'm ready, I've kind of just made sure that they're on task and they're all good. I can just hit return, and then I'll go back to the main meeting. And now I'm here, I want to send a message to everyone just to tell them that we're going to be wrapping up and pulling them back in the next 30 seconds. So here, up the top where it says breakout rooms, I can hit the ellipsis and say make an announcement. So I'm going to say 30 seconds left in this session. And hit send, and then that will send a message through to all of the breakout rooms, and they'll see that come in to their chat, and we can see that the announcement has been sent to all rooms. And then when I'm ready to pull everybody back, I can hit close rooms, And what it'll do, it'll pop a message at the top of their screen that says they've got 10 seconds and then they'll be automatically pulled back. So we can see everybody's now being pulled back from their breakout rooms. They've come rejoined us in the main room. They haven't had to do anything. It's really easy for them to be able to move back and forth. They can all access the meeting chat from their breakout room within their window, but people can't see each other. So the admin improvements breakout room can't see the chat or the social activities one, but me as the meeting organizer, I can see the meeting chat for everybody. So hopefully that's helped you to get started using breakout rooms. There are lots of YouTube clips out there showing people how to make it work. And we, of course, have got the official blog post that shows you a set of screenshots on how you can start to use it. So hopefully this will be really great for you in your organization and will help you organize those larger meetings that you want to break out, learning and development sessions, etc., so that you can have those small, meaningful conversations. So thanks everyone for your help, and I will see you again on another video. Bye.